Alrighty, this is just a quick down and dirty demo on how to use reader's mode in Chrome. I'm actually on a Chromebook, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a website. So I already have one picked up, so I'm going to the Hacker News Pegasus spyware targeted iPhones of journalists and activists. And so this is not really not a hard site to read. You'll see some ads on the side. Not a big deal, but I do like to go into reader's mode, which is usually up here on the right, and you can see it says side panel, but if you click on it, you actually have options, and so there are other options, but I'm actually in reading mode right now. But you also see reading list, bookmarks, history, reading mode. And so let me just click on all of them so you can see. Here's my reading list. So you can actually bookmark sites into a reading list so you can go back. Then you can go to all your bookmarks, which I think most of us just have a gazillion of them. And then you can go to your history on sites that you went to. And then you can go to reading mode. And so I like using reading mode. And I like to read it here. It's like reading in a book or on a notepad or something. And so it eliminates a lot of this stuff. I can change the background and it still shows the links. So let's go through what we got. So it actually talks about the type of font right here. You do have other options, but this one is my favorite. And then you can make the font smaller or bigger. And you can also pull this over if you want to have more. And it will keep the article over here as well. And then you can choose the background. I like blue, but you can do yellow. You can do dark. You can do light. And you can do your default to your what your device is set for, but I do like blue. It seems to be a little bit easier to read. And then again, like I said, it does show hyperlinks, and so if you click on a hyperlink, it will go to that page, and then you'll see that page over here as well. And it goes all the way down. And but notice you can accept or not accept the cookie. So you can see where it gets rid of a few of the things. It makes a list of other things and just makes it a little bit easier to read. The other thing that you can do is, I don't think I showed you this one yet, is you can work on the spacing. So right now we're on standard, but and the spacing is between the letters. So that was wide and then very wide. And I'm not sure, I guess everybody will have a preference, but I definitely like the standard. And then if when you're done, or if you want to revert back to the actual website, you can just click right here and drag it, or you can close it. And that's how you use it. Thanks. Bye-bye.